Yo, what's going on, guys? Lottery Stocks here. Today we have another GameStop price prediction for you guys, and this is for tomorrow, Friday. Tomorrow's trading day. And the big thing about tomorrow is a bunch of calls are expiring, and it's not too huge. It's just another Friday, guys, in the stock market. In the GameStop stock market. This stock is so volatile. It definitely has a name of its own at this point. But yeah, guys, we're going to skip all the intro stuff. Webull link down below. You want free stocks, whatever. As you guys can see, I got my Webull pulled up right here. Let's get right into this video. Today, we're seeing not really sideways trading, but we've seen a big drop in the morning and then a big accumulation period midday. And now it's pumping back up towards power hour. Now, guys, you're probably watching this after the trading day. And I just want to say, if you see, let's see, power hour 15. Here's power hour right here. If you see it build up to power hour, and then once power hour hits, once again, guys, power hour is 3 to 4. If you see this make its way up, it can be higher than this. If you see this make its way up to power hour, you can see sideways trading through the pre-market, through the after hours. And let me finish that. If you see a drop, if you see this drop into power hour and continues dropping, you are going to see dips in after hours and big spikes in after hours. Now, after the dips, the spikes are going to overrule them. And eventually, by the time we come into tomorrow's trading day, Friday, you are going to see sideways trading. And this is not exact, so don't take this to the heart right here, guys. Now that we got after hours out of the way, okay, so up, flat trading, down, spikes. Not that any of this matters unless you're a day trader, but either way, we're all holding, guys. Diamond hands, diamond apes, stay strong. But this is just another price prediction to get you an idea. And you guys obviously want to know when the squeeze is. That's why I got this drawn. But we're going to get right into that in 1 second, right after we get tomorrow's price prediction. Not only tomorrow's price prediction, but squeeze price prediction. So, guys, tomorrow, up to power hour, sideways trading. And if this is sideways trading, then tomorrow we are going to see, like we've seen today, drops in the morning and spikes. Tomorrow is not going to be a sideways trading day, in my opinion. It's going to be very volatile. We have contracts expiring, and for some reason, I feel like we may have a catalyst tomorrow, or maybe not a too big of one, but I just don't see it being a sideways trading day, guys. And if you would consider one of these sideways trading, then yeah, you can consider that sideways trading, but I would not consider that, guys. Once again, let's get into this really quick. Sorry, I keep repeating this. Into tomorrow, we are going to have drop in the morning like we've seen today. I don't think we will consolidate for too long. And we are going to have large spikes back into the 160s. Consolidation, hopefully into the weekend, ending off with the 160s. And now, if you see it drop into power hour, continue dropping, we see large spikes in after hours. Spikes overseeing the drops. Spikes until tomorrow when we get close. Small drops until market open. And now we are going to see opposite of what's happening here. We're going to see larger spikes, not just, let me go to the 5 minute, not just little jumps into the 160s. we're going to see larger spikes, maybe getting into the 180s range, and big drops. Hopefully some sideways trading to save ourselves some support down in the 160s. And now if it drops and you guys see this, I would say this trend is better, because if we have the big spikes and the drop, we can consolidate at a 160s range. If we see the drop and a spike, it's a little bit harder to get supported at the peak of a spike than it is for a drop, if you guys understand what I'm saying. And then hopefully, either way, I believe we're going to end off Friday's trading day in the 160s range. Now let's get these marks out of here and get to the actual squeeze date. Let me delete this. Now we're going to zoom out to the 30-minute, the 1 hour, the 2 hour. Zoom out. Now you guys see this mother of all wedges. That's what they call it. But I have for you guys the beginning of the squeeze way back here. The peak, the bottom, and we have it touching each of these like a trend line. Each of these of the squeeze part 2, but this one is going to be way longer. Breaking out of this is when the squeeze should happen, when this wedge is over with, and I'll go over that date in 1 second. Hitting the bottoms, hitting this, and coming out to here. Not cutting any lines, not cutting through anything. Now, squeeze date. It looks to me like we have maybe another week. And isn't that a little bit fishy, because in one more week's trading day we have the share recall. So let's see, this is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. This should be share recall, okay guys? For GME. I don't know if this is going to move us up or stay us flat, but it will not decrease us. And another weekend right here. After this big news, something's going to happen right here. Let's see, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, weekend, Monday. Monday, this should be a breakout. And if not, somewhere out here. Let's try and shift this wedge a little bit to Monday. Monday, April 22nd, 23rd, 24th. April 24th or 25th. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments. We should see a breakout and the squeeze happen. And I want you guys to drop in the comments your price target or what you're going to pull out at. I know we're all diamond handing, and I'm not saying to paper hand, but what realistically are you going to pull out? You're going to pull out at 1,000, you're going to pull out at 800, you're going to pull out 5,000, a million? Let me know in the comments, guys. Once again, the like button's free, subscribe button is free. It'd be dope if you joined the fam. Lottery Stocks out.
Get you shot like a movie skit. One shot, he drop like a hooligan. How we gon' get to this bag when we focus on gunplay, but trapping is all that we got. All of us gon' make it one day like church.